started writing blame on blank pages.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel. If you are new to our channel, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below. And let's move on to our video. So as we have already talked about case study on our previous video, so we are doing it again in English so it will be understandable to all of you. So the most important part in case study will obviously be our front page. So this is the demo how our front page is done, and as you can see here, so the second page will be our abstract. And on abstract, the first part or the first paragraph will be all about the introduction, and on the introduction we will write the motivation behind our project, and the second part will be the material and methods. The third will be obviously the result and discussion about the topic you are going to do case study on, and some conclusion behind your topic. So our topic as a demo is macOS today. So you can see how the abstract is written on macOS. So the third page will be some introduction about operating system. So this is what in simply what is just an interface between the users of a computer and computer hardware. Don't forget it. It is the most key point when it comes to operating system. Now the next is will be the introduction. So obviously in introduction part we will write about why is our research significant and how will it create an impact. So as we have written already about macOS and its instruction here. So the next will be the objective. Objective will be all about the motive behind macOS and its objective. So this is also the most important part when it comes to case study. The another topic is features of macOS. What are some features of macOS? And they are continuity camera, dark mode, desktop stacks, dynamic desktops, Finder enhancement, improvement OS and Safari security, and screens of marker. The next is review. So don't forget the review. It's most important when it comes to the case study. And the next topic is aim of macOS. What are the aim of macOS? The power of Unix and the simplicity of Mac, embrace open standard, ultimate engine for the digital hub, seamless mobility, enable killer apps. Now the another one is literature review. Literature review is all about the description or the theoretical explanation on the review of macOS. So this is how the literature review is done. Some topic also can be written which will be more versatile and more clear. Now the next topic will be the advantage and disadvantage of macOS. So here we have, as you can see, we have already written about the advantages of macOS and disadvantages of macOS. So what are advantages? It is easy to use. The macOS is much easier to use than any other operating system. Even people who are not familiar with it can operate it easily. Integration with Apple and other products. macOS will automatically recognize and work with any other Apple products such as iPhone, Cinema Display, AirPod, and iPad. On top of this, additional drivers are really needed for non-Apple products. macOS can run Windows at the same time. macOS runs on Intel chips, which means you can run XP and Vista concurrently with macOS with Boot Camp and parallel software. Reliability. Because OS X was designed from scratch from the ground up, macOS is incredibly stable. Apple controls production from start to finish, so every part of a Mac is designed and tested to work together. Design. It is engineered, take full advantage of what the hardware is capable of, and it's designed to deliver the most intuitive and integrated computer experience in the world. Disadvantage of macOS. Gaming. If you are a computer gamer, macOS isn't going to do it for you. Bootcamp and Parallels will allow you to run games natively in Windows, but there may be a performance hit. Some games are produced for macOS, but the number is very small. Price. All that flashy, secure, reliable power comes at a price. Macs cost more than machines that run other operating systems. The result is you are paying a premium to have what is often the highest end hardware on market. Fewer software options. Not all applications are yet available for Mac, unlike Windows, cannot be upgraded, customized. Mm, there are upgrade options when you buy a Mac, but unlike a Windows PC, you cannot fix and match components. The easiest way to upgrade a Mac is to buy a new one. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of macOS. Now, the another one is methodology. What is the methodology used on your case study? So as you can see, the next is data presentation and data analysis. Well, data presentation and data analysis can be done by two ways. One will be the textual presentation and the second one will be the diagrammatic presentation. So now today in this case study, we have done a demo on the diagrammatic presentation of data presentation and data analysis. So why is data analysis important? Data analysis is important because it is a process of transforming a data to discover useful information and to form conclusion. We use a statistical treatment in this process. So as you can see, we have done some data presentation and data analysis automatically in a pie chart and some top industry that use Mac OS, representing them in a bar graph. So as you can see here, and the other topic is tools used. What are the tools used in macOS? They are Applet Launcher, Audio Unit Lab, Computer Hardware Understanding Development Tools, Core Image Funhouse, Cache Reporter Pref, File Merge, Help Indexer, Icon Browser, Jar Bundler, Malloc Debug, Repeat After Me, Spin Control, Xcode. What are the possible solutions for fixing Mac problems? Please note that not every problem requires you to go through all of those steps, especially the more invasive steps 8 to 10. 8 to 10, that is, we will talk about it later. Reboot Mac, reset PRAM, NVRAM, boot to safe mode, reset SMC, repair disk permission, verify disk, reset Safari and clear caches, delete caches folder, update to the latest version of macOS, create a new user account and reinstall macOS. So the most important point are delete cache folders, update to latest version of macOS, create a new user account, reinstall macOS, and the description behind it, point wise. These are all the explanation about your key points. Let's come to the recommendation. So the recommendation on why Mac OS is useful is written in key points, which is the most important part when it comes to the case study. Another topic is conclusion. Based on the result of a study, it can be concluded that macOS is the first GUI graphical user interface based operating system in the world. Apple's UI based OS was included with which was released in 1984. Microsoft released the GUI based OS Windows 1.0 in 1985, released in 1984 and built as insanely great. The Macintosh caught the public eye with one of the most famous commercials ever. Facilities that can be obtained using macOS is sharing files and integrating with Apple. Others such as iPhone, iPad, Apple Watching using iCloud, search files with sound integration via Siri compatible with various extensions such as JPEG, PDF, MP3, etc. Get third-party software with the Apple Store and guaranteed security from Apple. So this is how we write a conclusion. And in conclusion, we will obviously conclude all about the motive behind our case study and what we lastly conclude by doing this case study. So we will write all about it. So last but not the least will be our reference. So how this data collection is done and how we have researched on our topic is linked below in reference. This is all about case study and macOS, and this is a demo on how it is done. So hope it will be knowledgeable to all of you, and hope you like it. So don't forget to comment that down below, and thank you for watching. Bye.